Hello students, welcome to our today's online class. Our today's topic is creative questions from exercise 4.3. I hope you will enjoy the class. Let's begin. At first, open page number 76. In page number 76, there are three creative questions. I would like to read the question in front of you. Question number 29. Question number 29 asks, if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 3, determine the value of x plus 1 by x whole square. So at first we will solve question number A. 29, question number A. First we can write given x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 3. Now we have to determine the value of x plus 1 by x whole square. Now we can use the formula of a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So if we use this formula here, we can write x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. So this is as the formula. Here the x and 1 by x can be cancelled, and there are only 2 left. So we can write x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. This is the 2, and this x square and 1 by x square can be written as the plus, and here the given value is of this portion. The value of this portion is given as 3 and then plus 2, so the answer will be 5. This is the answer of number A. This is very easy. I hope you understand. Now we move on to our next question, question number B. Question number B says, what is the value of x to the power 6 plus 1 divided by x cube? Question number B. The question asks to find the value of x to the power 6 plus 1 divided by x cube. But at first we have to write given x square plus 1 by x square as 3. At first we can write this one. Now the given expression is equal to, we can write x to the power 6 plus 1 divided by x cube, or we can write just simply, we can split this division by x to the power 6 by x cube in the middle class, then 1 by x to the power cube, because we know that a fraction, if there is a plus b by c, then we can write a by c plus b by c. How? Now if we just do the LCM, c and c, the LCM of c will be c divided by c is 1 times a is a, and then plus, and then c divided by c is 1 times b is b. So from this line we can write this line, and vice versa. From this line we can also this line. This thing we have done here as this. So x to the power 6 divided by x cube will be x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now the given expression, from this given expression we can write x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 3, or x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x into 1 by x equal to 3, or we can write just x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. There is any square. So x plus 1 by x is equal to root over 5. This square can be written as root over 5 of this 5. So from the given expression we can find x plus 1 by x is equal to root over 5. Now if we just put a formula here, x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3ab a plus b here. So the value of x plus 1 by x, we have just find it. The value of x plus 1 by x is equal to root over 5. So we can write root over 5 whole cube minus 3, and then x will be cancelled, and the value of this one is equal to root over 5. So here we can write like root over 5 times root over 5 times root over 5, root over 5 times root over 5 times root over 5 minus 3 root over 5. Or finally we can just write these two root over 5 and root over 5 can be multiplied or written as only 5. So 5 root over 5. This 2 root over 5 can be written as the multiplicative of 5, and then root 5 here, 3 root 5. So 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5, we can write 2 root 5. This is our required answer. That first, from the given expression, that means x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 3, we can find out that x plus 1 by x is equal to root over 5, and then we can put the value of x plus 1 by x in this formula, and then we can find the answer. I hope you understand. I can zoom out so that you can take a screenshot of this page. Right, now we move on to our next question, question number C of 29. Determine the value of x square minus 1 by x square whole cube. Here again we can write question number C, given we can write given x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 3, and then if we square on both sides, x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 3 square, and we can give a side note here by squaring both sides. Or if we use that formula to switch this plus to minus, we can write like x square minus 1 by x square whole square plus 4 x square into 1 by x square is equal to 9. So x square and x square must be cancelled, and here we can write x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 9 minus 4, or x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 5. But we need to prove that, or we need to find the value of x square minus 1 by x square to the power cube. So we can take the cube on both sides, 5 cube, and we can give the side note by taking cube on both sides. You have to give the side note, you must give the side note. So our final answer is here, x square minus 1 by x square whole cube is equal to 125, which is our required answer. This is our answer. Alright, I hope you understand. Now we move on to our next question, question number 30. Question number 30 says 3x minus 5y plus 3z and 3x plus 5y minus z are two algebraic expressions. Find out the square of the first expression. Amra prothome we want to find the square of first fraction, expression. So we want to solve question number 30a, and the first expression is like 3x minus 5y plus 3z. So we want to find the square of this equation. We can use the formula like a square plus b square, here b is minus 5y, plus c square, right, plus 2 times a times b, b means minus 5, plus 2 times b times c, plus 2 times a times c. Here the first one is our a, the second one with minus 5y is equal to b, and 3z is our c. So we just apply the formula of squaring 3 terms, and then we can write 9x square plus 25y square plus 9z square, then minus 5 3s are 50, 15 2s are 30, 30xy, then minus 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, so minus 30yz, and then plus 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 18, 18xz, which completes our answer. This is the number A. So now we move on to next question, question number B. Question number B asks, express the product of the two fractions in the form of the difference of two squares, which we done in the first 4.1 or 4.2. So let's start question number B. Question number B. So we want to just write or copy the two expressions, 3x minus 5y, 3x minus 5y plus 3z, and then we have to make product of 3x plus 5y minus z. So these are the two expressions, and we want to make the product of these two in the form of difference of squares. Now we have to put the formula of AB. So we know the AB formula of AB is equal to a plus b divided by 2 whole square, and then minus a minus b by 2 whole square. So this was the formula of this one. Right, so if you remember, we can use this formula. The 3x minus 5y plus 3z, this total area is my A, and this total area is my B. So A plus B divided by 2 whole square minus this 3x minus 5y plus 3z minus, and then bracket 3x plus 5y minus z, and then bracket close by 2, and then square. Alright, now if we can write the next one, the next line can be written as this 3x plus 3x will be 6x, and then 5y minus 5y will be 0, and then 3z minus 2z is equal to plus 2z. So this is the first one, and then minus, so what should be the second one, 3x minus 5y. At first we need to remove the bracket or first bracket, so we put minus here 3x, and then minus 5y, and then plus 5z. For this minus, the symbol of these ones will be removed or alternate. Now if we take 6x plus 2z here, and then divided by 2, and then whole square, here is an square also, minus 3x minus 3x will be cancelled, and then 3z and z will be 4z, and minus 5y, and minus 5 will be minus 10y divided by 2 whole square. Now what? Now we can take 2 as common, like 2 from 6, it will be 3x plus z divided by 2 whole square, minus, we can take 2 here also, 2z minus 5y. We're just taking the common as 2 whole square. So 2 and 2, these 2 will be cancelled. So we can get 3x plus z whole square minus 2z minus 5y whole square, which is in form of difference of two squares. This is a square format, and this is the difference, and this is another square format. So we need to write like this. So this is the number B, answer of number B. Now we move on to our next question, question number C. If the second expression is 0, prove that 27x cube plus 125xy cube. So what is the second expression? The second expression is like question number C. The second expression is, we can write or copy, the second expression is 3x plus 5y minus z. 3x plus 5y minus z. This was the second expression, and then second expression is equal to 0. So this is already given. The second expression is equal to 0, or we can write like 3x plus 5y is equal to z. We just take this z on the opposite side by changing the sign, and then if we take square or cube on both sides, because in the answer we have to prove some cubes, so we can give the side note by taking cube on both sides, or here we can apply the formula of cube, like 3x whole cube plus 5y whole cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b is equal to z cube. Or here we can calculate like 3 to the power cube means 27 x cube plus 5 cube means 125 y cube plus 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 5 is 45, 45 xy, and then 3x plus 5y, this means z, right? The second line, 3x plus 5y is equal to z, so we can put the value of z here equal to z cube. I hope we are in the form of our proof, because we need to prove 27x cube plus 125y cube plus 45xy is equal to z cube. So here is our answer. There is a little mistake in the question, because 27x cube plus 125y cube plus 45xyz, there is a z, but in the proof there is no z, so there is a mistake in the question of the book. This is the right answer, so we can write proved. This completes question number 30. Now we move on to our next question, question number 31, right? All right, we are just taking this question in the bottom so that we can get a fresh pages. Now question number 31, we want to solve question number 31, solution of 31a. What do you mean by factorization? So this question's answer is given on the book. Factorization means the product of an expression means to rewrite the expression as the product of, this question's answer is already given in the product in the book. Factorization of an expression means to rewrite the expression as the product of two or more simpler expression so this is the answer. So for 2 number you can only just write this answer, and if you want to write it in a better way, then you can follow the book. Now we move on to our next question, question number B here. Question number B says, if q is equal to 0 and x not equal to 0, find out the value of 9x square plus 4x square. So what does mean given q is equal to 0, and what is the value of q? The value of q is given as 3x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we can write like 3x square plus 2 is equal to 5x or minus 5x. If we just interchange this plus 5x to the opposite side, and then we divide all sides, all three parts by x, by just x. Now we can get x square divided by x should be 3x plus 2 by x is equal to minus 5. Now if we just we take squares on both sides, is equal to minus 5 whole square, and we have to give a side note here. The side note should be like, by taking square on both sides. Now if we apply the formula, just 3x whole square plus 2 into a into b, and then b whole square is equal to 25. Now what we should find the value of 9x square plus 4 by divided by x. So here if we calculate, 3 square is 9x square plus x and x must be cancelled, so 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, so 12 plus 4 by x square. We just keep this 2 square separately 4, and x square becomes x square is equal to 25. Now in the next line we can write, or 9x square plus 4 by x square should be 25 minus 12. So our final answer should be 9x square plus 4 by x square is equal to 13, which is our answer. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you just repeat the video, and then I hope you will be clear. Now we move on to our next question, question number 31. Find out the LCM of P, Q and R. Here there are three expressions, right? So in these three expressions we need to find the LCM. So at first we just write first expression. So we write first expression is equal to 3x square minus 16x plus minus 12. So we need to factorize this one. We know how to factorize. We can factorize these things like by middle term breaking, or like by applying formula. In this expression we need to do the middle term breaking. That means 3x square minus, this is minus 12 and 3, so 12 times 3 is 3 times minus 12 should be 36, minus 36. So we need to break this minus 16 as like we will get that 16 by 36. That means if we write minus 18x plus 22x, then minus 18x and 2x should be minus 16, and this 18 and 2 should be multiplied, we will get minus 36. So we can take common as 3x and 3x. If we take common, we just left x, and then here 6 plus 2, x minus 6, and we'll get x minus 6 and 3x plus 2. So this is the factorization format of first expression. Now we factorize the second expression. So second expression is equal to q means 3x square plus 5x plus 2. We just do the middle term breaking as 6x, or we can just write 3x plus 2x, as simple as that. We just take 3x as common factor. Here we can write x plus 1, and here we can take common as 2x plus 1. So the final factorization format should be x plus 1 and 3x plus 2. This was the second expression. Now we move on to the third expression. Third expression we can write here. Third expression becomes like 3x square minus x minus 2. So here we can write 3x square, 3 2s are 6, the minus 6, so we can use minus 3x and plus 2x minus 2. So here we can take 3x as common, x minus 1, and then plus 2 x minus 1, and we can write x minus 1 and 3x plus 2. Now it is time to find the LCM. The LCM should be, we need to take common from all these numbers. This is 3x plus 2, here is 3x plus 2, and here is 3x plus 2. So we can take only 3x plus 2 here from, and here x plus 1, x minus 1. So we just write the rest of the numbers or factors as x plus 1, x minus 1, and then x minus 6. All should be written, which are left this one, and this one should be written in the form of multiplication. Then here you can see we can do nothing, 3x plus 2 and x minus 6, but we can multiply x plus 1 and x minus 1 like 3x plus 2 here, and x square minus 1, because this 2, if we multiply this 2, we just get x square minus 1. So this should be the final answer. Alright, this was the question number 31. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you just repeat the video again and again, and then you can understand easily. Alright, take a screenshot of this one, and then you can do by yourself and then match your answer with mine. Alright, this was our today's class, and in the next class we will see some more creative questions from another chapter, and till then, goodbye.